Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. If you are not subscribed, I hope you will enjoy this enough to subscribe to my channel. I like to do different things on this channel. Hauls, craftings, unboxings, just whatever, many different things. Today I'm coming back with my last video for Craspire, and I have some project shares for you. This first one, I needed to use this paper. This was a 12 by 12. I did cut this down to 6 by 6 to store it easier. So I made this little jumbo tag banner. This die came from KS Craft. So I didn't have a lot of Christmas things out, so this is what I had to work with. I actually just went off of the paper. Let's see if I could find. I just cut this out here, and I just used it as the background. So I put this dewdrop from Double Click Connect. Carrie, this is her dewdrops I ordered from her. I do believe these were Christmas ones. They are glittered, so I think these were Christmas last year. I just put the red dewdrop in the middle of the bow. These are pops of color on the berries, and then I just used stickles for the stems. This is a table scatter from Walmart. I picked it up at the end of the season last year, and I already put away my Christmas things, so I had this sitting in a bucket here in my craft room. So I thought, well, let's just use that. And then these pieces of paper here are the negatives from here, and I just cut them down, and then I just printed out a J, an O, and the Y from my P-Touch, my brother label maker. And so that's that, and then this is the back, and this is just a jumbo. I tried to put a snowflake on here, so a bead, and it got stuck going around here, so it kind of messed this up. And then I just put some little ribbon, two strands of ribbon, which made this 4 little things. So that's what I did, and there's a little Christmas tree charm and a bow. I just put that on a bulb pin. I got this bell from Temu, and I got this charm from... I wish I can remember. So there's that for this paper project. For Craspire, I got this birthday die. This is all one die. It came with all of these pieces, all of these balloon pieces, layered balloons. So I made this birthday card, and I went with these collars because I just wanted to use up it's an older paper pad that I had from Joann's. So I used different size balloons to layer these, and then I popped them up on some foam dots. And then this is the happy birthday sentiment. It has this little bow right here, so I put that, and then also the string here for the balloons, and then it has all the confetti, and then it has the numbers, so when I go to use this card to send to somebody, these little numbers have candles on them. So I'm going to, like, let's say there's 60, I'm going to put 60 like right here or whatever, you know. And then this is the cake, and then I tried to just put some pearl drops on here, but it just wasn't working out that way, so I just put some down here and some right here. And this is the candles on the top, so I just put I cut it out twice. I think I layered it up twice. And then the same way with the presents, I cut them twice. Not sure how I did that, but I did that to make them black behind there. Oh, I think I just put that on, and then I cut around it. I fussy cut around it to give it the black behind. And then I just put a balloon inside here, and then I put happy birthday here. I like this card. I like some black and white projects. Okay, there's that die and that card. And this die is Christmas. This one, I had a hard time trying to figure out what to do with this one. So this is like, you know, like a candy, I don't know. I just really had a hard time figuring out what to do with this one. You have all these large pieces of candy and some flowers and a bow and stuff. I just made this card with it. This is the Julie Nutting doll, and so I collared her and I just fussy cut her out because I don't have any dies for her for these stamps. And then I just put buttons down her dress, and then this come with another Julie Nutting gingerbread thing with while visions of sugar plums dance in their heads. And so this is this here, this lollipop sucker, whatever. And so I cut it on glitter paper, and then it embosses the twirls. So I just took a pink gel pen and went in there for that. And then I cut the candy cane twice and layered it up, and then just used this and put the bow on the candy cane. I should have put a let's get a dewdrop. Let's do I think this is Mountain Rose. Okay, when that dries, that'll dry clear. You will not see that glue in there. I ripped this card, so nobody's going to be getting this card unless I can figure out some way to fix that. But anyway, I just had this older paper. I just put behind here and I inked around here. Yeah, so that's that for this one. And that is it for Craspire. And I just want to apologize. It's taking me so long to get these videos finished. But I am finished with this one. And I appreciate them working with me. And I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having a great time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.